I'm going to pound this date and dry it to make the powder sweetener. And this, I'll be pouring boiled hot water inside to soak it. I want to show you another way, another method of making sweetener. The essence of drying it, because it's not well dry, still looking somehow fresh. The water is boiled. Going to be covering it. Leave it to soak. So I pounded it. When you scatter it, to dry it. At least it will dry very fast. Let me dry it. Let me put it under the sun. I'm going to be turning it inside water to pound it. After soaking it for 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. After packing it from the water, you add water to sieve. Turn it inside sieve and sieve it. After sieving it, you sieve it twice. After sieving it, you put it on fire. Be stirring it from time to time. So this one is dry. Then turn it in some water and blend it. Pound it very well to be smooth. It's getting thicker. So this is it. I'm going to remove it like that. Turn it inside this container. So this is it. Turning the date, I'll turn it inside the filter to filter it. I'll pound this one again. I'm going to pound this last one very well. I add it together. It's here. So here come your powder sweetener, just like brown sugar, but not brown sugar. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, drop your comment on what you feel about this video, and share my video. God bless you. See you in my next video.